If you're getting the end current call error on your Samsung phone, here's how you can fix it. First, close the phone app completely. Then swipe down the notification panel. If you see an ongoing call notification, it means your previous call is still active, which can cause the end current call error when you try to call someone else. Make sure the previous call has ended completely. If the issue still persists, try restarting your phone. Press and hold the power button, then tap Restart. Wait for your phone to boot up completely. Once it's back on, check the notification panel to make sure there isn't an active call, then try dialing the number again. As you can see, a simple restart fixed the issue on my Samsung phone. If you're still facing the problem, try another method. Open Settings, then go to Connections and tap SIM Manager. Turn each SIM card off and back on, one at a time, to refresh your SIM connection. If that doesn't work, open Settings again. Scroll down and tap General Management. Scroll to the bottom, tap Reset, then select Reset All Settings. This will restore your phone's settings to their defaults without deleting your personal data, and it may resolve the end current call error. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Samsung tips and fixes.